down. You probably need for the children to relax them. No. So we're going to do the massage. You're going to roll it off. So what we do, guys, we never ever double dip. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take one of these. Yeah? You take it out yourself, guys, and we're going to massage. Go on. Take it out. You use it. Right. You're going to do one hand. Yeah. Got it? Get some. What oil do you want? Take oil. Take whatever you want. We're going to do it each other. We're going to follow one another. Are you ready, therapist? This is coconut oil. Mix it with whatever you want. We're going to mix the coconut oil. So don't shortchange everyone. Right, which one do you want? I'm going to do you. You're going to get a rub. Right, therapist? Right, therapist? Right. But one of you are the therapist, so this side. I don't know who to do. I don't know who to do. Right, madam, you're going to stretch. Right, you're going to do. Ready? Go. Come on, go. Go. All the way up. Come on, go. 1, keep going, go. 2, slow it down. And again, go. And again. I know. Perfect. Yes. Okay, guys. Now, P for pressure. Petrissage. Turn. All the way up. Slide down. And again, go. Go. And again. Right elbow. Don't forget the crusty bits, the elbows, yeah? All the way back. Okay. Thumb to thumb, ladies. Thumb to thumb. Yeah, got it, yeah. Go, now go. 1. Don't break your wrist, just turn it. 1, 2, 3, and the other side. 1, come on. 2, 3, okay? Go, press. 10, 9, 8, follow me. 7, 6, press. 5, 4, press. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now hold. Rotate. Rotate one way without dislocating the fingers, please. And turn. What's that? I did that. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Turn and pull. Yes. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Another way. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Pull. Yes, we've done it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn and pull. Well done. Now press 10 times. Go. 10, 9, 8. Press. 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Right. Now you've done this bit. Go. Yes, well done. Go 10 times. Press. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now finish up. Effleurage. This. Effleurage. 1, turn. And again. Petrissage. Turn. One more. Now turn it round gently. Now this back. All the way to the crusty bits. And back down. One more. Well done. And we're done. So ready? Do the other one now. Swap over. Do the other one again. We'll swap it. Yeah, do the other one. Right, you're going to do. Go. Right, again. Yeah, ready. Yeah. More. Too much. Yeah, put it. Go, that's it. Right, what I'm going to do. Go. Who's doing what? Right, ready? With the other hand. Ready? Yeah. Right, go. That's better. Okay, ready? Right, go. 1, 2, and again. 3, and again. 4, 5, one more. 6, okay. Now turn. Now circle. She's having a good time, isn't she? And again, go. And again. And again, one more. Well done. Now, thumb to thumb. Remember, ladies, we did thumb to thumb. Hold it firm. Perfect. Now rotate. Go, go. One. Slow. What's that? What's that? Right, start again. Go. 1, 2, 3, and the other way. A hand gonna fall off. Well, that's almost. Well done. Now, can you see that bit? Go. 10, 9, 8, go. 7, 6, do it this way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, get ready. Ready? Now go, go, go. Go, press. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go. Escarage. So we're learning new terminology. And again, well done, all the way. One more. Now we're going to do P for pressure, petrissage. P for thumb, go. Right, ready, go. Turn around, the other way. Now go. Circle, 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 circle. Slide down. Circle, circle, circle. Go up, 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 up. More, more, more. Slide down. One more. Yes, and again, all the way up.
Slide
Down. Finish.
It's a finish.
Done. So you need to balance out. Well done. So that's that bit done. So now we've done it. Right, guys.
Pencil. Pencil.
Where you see?
The pencil.
Pencil. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to polish. Right.
Go and say Amanda.
I'm going to show you.